Welcome to The Fleet. What do you do when you get a new car? You get some stuff to make it your own, right? From little stuff to containing fluff, these are our must-have mods and accessories. Let's go, Olive. Number 1. Dashcam. This is a must-have since dumb happens all the time. They get mounted behind the sun visor or the rearview mirror and forgotten about until they're needed. I've always had good luck with Garmin dash cams. With decent video quality, small size, and good longevity, I like them. Be sure to get a high endurance memory card so it can handle the duty cycles. Number 2. Radar detector. Every car in the fleet gets one for obvious safety reasons. You gotta believe me. Look for one with GPS and try different mounting options to find one you like. These are the brands we use, and these are the ways we have them mounted. After doing a couple of concealed installations, as seen here, I wouldn't do it again. Number 3. Extra soundproofing. This one's labor intensive, unless you want to pay someone to do it for you. Cash money! I put Dynamat in the doors, floors, and fenders, with some thick Dyna pad under the rear trunk mat. Here's some benefits. Just listen to this difference. Number 4. Window tint. Every car in the fleet gets tinted. Here's why. We do 80% on the windshield, 35% on the sides, 20% on the rear quarter, and 20% on the back. Number 5. Good floor mats. Hey Olive. Toss the ones that come with the car, because they're usually thin, cheap, and leave too much of your interior unprotected. Whether you go with TuxMat, WeatherTech, or something else, just upgrade the factory ones, and you'll be glad you did. Number 6. Remote start. If not already installed, put this in for pets and people in the car if you need to step away for a minute. Whether keeping things cool or warm, it's worth it. Number 7. PPF. This protects your car's front end from rock chips and road debris. You can barely see it, and we have the hood, bumper, fenders, and mirror caps covered and protected. Number 8. Pet barrier. If your dog refuses to stay in the back seat, then grab yourself a full width and height pet barrier. It keeps them safe and secure while letting the driver do their thing in peace. Subscribe for more, and Olive and I will see you in the next one. As always, thanks for watching. Bonus, center console stuff.